along with cognitive development. Our focus on SDGs and the
Ecology by authoring the book Birds of Nagpur. This project encouraged students to explore the world of bird watching and
Thank you, dignitaries. We now request you to move on to the dais for the formal program.
National champions. His commendable achievements include being India's first specially abled cricketer to play in 2 World Cups. For his spectacular achievements, he has been awarded by the BCCI and also received Maharashtra Krida Bhushan, Nagpur Gaurav and Krida Bhushan awards to name a few. We cordially invite our respected principal to felicitate the star champion with a sapling and a memento.
Thank you, Nidhi. Good evening, everyone. I'm elated to welcome you all to this memorable evening where we are all celebrating our students' immense talent and creativity. I feel privileged to be standing here to read out the message sent by our President and Pro Vice Chairperson, DPS Mihan and Kamti Road, Nagpur, Ms. Tulika Kedia. She was to come to be with us here, but for some unavoidable reasons, she could not make it. I read her message. Good evening. On behalf of Team DPS Mihan, I welcome our esteemed guests and parents to a Josh-filled evening. We are pleased to have as our chief guest Ms. Vijay Lakshmi Bidari, the dynamic and erudite Divisional Commissioner of Nagpur. She is a UPSC topper, a Fulbright scholar, and a much felicitated officer who is well known for spearheading infrastructure and social development. She will be joining us shortly. Our guest of honor, Dr. Bhimrao Maitri, Director IIM Nagpur, is a distinguished academician and a renowned teacher who continues to guide and mentor us towards augmenting the education bar. We are also fortunate to have with us Mr. Gurudas Raut, who has surmounted all odds to follow his passion on the cricket field. He is an awe-inspiring youth icon to us all. A very warm welcome to our esteemed guests.
with immense joy to have you all here today as we come together to celebrate the talent, achievements, and growth of our students. This evening is particularly significant as it showcases not only academic accomplishments but also the holistic development of our young learners. The theme for this year's function, Game Changer, a leap towards transformation, is both inspiring and thought-provoking. It underscores the transformative power of sports in shaping young minds and building resilient characters. Sports are far more than a means to physical fitness. They are a gateway to some of life's most valuable lessons.
हेलो। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, इधर से आवाज नहीं आ रहा। भारत माता की। थैंक यू सो मच डीपीएस मिहान फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। और जिस प्रकार से अभी मौसम चल रहा है तो सभी को ठंडी लग रही, लेकिन मेरे जो कुछ वैल्यूबल वर्ड्स है मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे शेयर करूँगा। जब मैं छोटा था तब मेरी मम्मी को बहुत यानी तकलीफ होती थी, दर्द होता था और वो सोचती थी कि मेरा बेटा जब बड़ा होगा तो क्या करे। लेकिन जैसे जैसे वो सारी चीज़ें होती गई और मैं अपने सिचुएशन को ढालते गया तो आने वाले समय में मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि मैं क्रिकेट खेलूँगा। और जिस प्रकार से मेरे माता पिता ने मेरी परवरिश की, मेरे गुरुजनों ने मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया, उसको मैं फॉलो करता गया। बहुत से लोग मुझे पहले चिढ़ाते थे कि इसे एक हाथ नहीं, और आप सभी लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि आज जो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर है कि इसे हमारे को अलग प्रकार के देखने को मिल रहे। जी हाँ, मैं कभी अपने आप को ऐसा कभी महसूस नहीं करता हूँ कि मुझे एक हाथ नहीं, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा अपने आप को चार्जेबल रखता हूँ।
The director of DPS, Mian and Kamti Road, Savita ma'am, and the leader of DPS Mian, Nidhi Yadav, principal, our great guest of honor and visionary and a great source of inspiration, Guru. I think really is a guru of cricket, and you have just listened to him. What is impossible, he made it as a possible. All the faculty members, invited guests, proud parents, and my dear young minds, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. I am Festival Day 2024 of DPS Mihan. And it is extremely happy to know that Game Changer, the title given here, really a DPS, it is not only brand of India, but it is a global brand. Game Changer in Nagpur, all of you know Nagpur is a center point of India, heart of India, orange city, tiger city, and today Nagpur is also known for net zero center point of India in this today's world of sustainable development and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So Nagpur is going to play a very, very important role in coming years as a part of Sustainable Development Goals as a net zero center point of India.
All of you, esteemed guests, parents, students, members of the staff, teachers. First of all, I'm very sorry I got late because we had to receive the Honorable Governor just some time back, and we are preparing for the winter assembly session. And it's my privilege to be with all of you here today. And I really don't want to hold you back because I believe there is a beautiful dance drama which all of you are waiting for. My best wishes to all the children who have participated in the program today. I think almost 900 students More than 900 students are participating, and that must be wonderful. In school, it's just not that you are learning to focus or have discipline and gaining knowledge. I'm sure you are much more rounded personalities. Definitely, you are picking up a lot of things to work in groups. You are improving your critical thinking. You are improving your focus. Not only that, you are now you are in a time when the education is more about developing leadership qualities. It's about connecting to the community. It's also about being aware of your surroundings. Just now I heard that your school is ranked quite high in the state and in the district, and all of you are quite privileged to be getting education in such an esteemed organization. You are so much more privileged than many people in this country. So always remember, there is a big responsibility all of you carry. When you are privileged and when you have these great opportunities coming to you, you make the best use of it so that you can come back and contribute to your families, to your community, and to your country in a big way. I wish each one of you all the very best in your endeavors. I really don't want to hold back and take time, but sometime for the children who are interested in getting through civil services or a career in civil services, I would like to take a separate small session with them, with your teachers, because today the group is more with parents, and also it's getting quite cold now. So thank you very much again, and all the very best. Thank you.